In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a specific collection from the All Collections page in your Shopify store. We'll walk through this process step by step, focusing on editing your theme's code. By doing so, you can filter out certain collections from your storefront while keeping them accessible through direct links. Let's start our journey by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, head over to your online store section and then click on Themes. This is where you'll see the themes you've been working with. From here, click on Actions next to your active theme, then select Edit Code. This will open up the theme's file editor, where we can make the necessary changes. Now, what we're looking for is the collection list template file, which could have different names like collectionlist.liquid, collections.liquid, or listcollections.liquid. If you're struggling to find it, a useful tip is to search for collections in the file name. Once located, go ahead and open it, as it's the key to customizing which collections are displayed. With the correct file open, the next step involves adding liquid code to filter out the collection you want to exclude. Typically, this entails finding a specific part of the code where collections are displayed. Look for a line similar to % for collection and collections %. Here we're using the Dawn theme as an example, and the code might look like this: %render collection block, collection custom aspect ratio, chosen aspect ratio, animate true %. To hide a collection, you'll need to modify this code. We do this by inserting a condition that excludes specific collections based on their handle. The handle is essentially the part of the collection's URL following /collection/. Let's say your collection's handle is shirts. Your code would look like this: /% if collection handle, shirts, %, followed by your render code, and then /% and if %. This checks if the collection handle isn't shirts. If it isn't, the collection will display. If it is, it will be hidden. If you have multiple collections you'd like to hide, like shirts and pants, you'll simply extend the condition with more terms, like this: % as if collection, handle, shirts, and collection, handle, pants, %. Just be sure to swap out shirts and pants with the actual handles of the collections you want to keep out of sight. Once you've made these changes, it's crucial to click the Save button to apply them to your theme. Now, to ensure everything's in place, navigate to your store's All Collections page and refresh it. Ideally, the collection you've specified should no longer appear in the list. In summary, by tweaking the liquid code in your theme's collection list template, you can effectively manage which collections appear on your All Collections page. This tweak allows you to maintain cleaner navigation for your customers while retaining the ability to access collections directly. This strategy is inspired by discussions in the Shopify community, offering a practical solution to tailor your store's appearance.